Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, yeah, guys, yesterday we took selling opportunities during the morning and we actually milked it. This was our take profit there, and you see where it went. It went to the bottom side. You know, one thing I like about Nasdaq, it always respect what is this zone. So it's one of the greatest things that I ever traded, and I feel like it's one of the best. You know, the market is the best when it comes to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is easy, guys. Like I always say, Nasdaq is for babies, but just it is for the legends like us. You understand? So at the end of the day, you know what it is, guys. So now I'm going to analyze and check what is it that I actually see, you understand? Because it's very important for me to check and see what is it that I see so that all of us can eat, guys. Even me, it's like this thing is helping both of us, understand? Because I will benefit from me analyzing the market and seeing which direction will the market take, understand? So without wasting no time, guys, because I want to attend to my students, let me just quickly do this. I felt like today I just recorded too late, understand? Because I had to take my car to the service. Understand? So it's something incredible. Understand, guys? You gotta experience certain things, guys. Buy cars. You know, we can't trade and still John walk. So it's a problem. We gotta show people that this thing is working, man. It can't work for the mentors only. It has to come back and work for you. Because now we don't have no say, because they'll be saying, you know, it's working for you guys, but we don't see your students winning. You guys are winning. You just don't want to show them, right? So it seems like, hey, these days we'll start showing them. So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, you can check. This is what I actually see here. I think here we had a breakout. This is a beautiful breakout. This is a beautiful breakout. You can see, right? And then we have a retest here. There's a quite well retest and a beautiful retest. I feel like Nasdaq will still sell, but I feel like we can take the sell somewhere at this certain point, you understand? So we can wait for it to come back and then take selling opportunity, which is it already went there, understand? So we might actually wait for it to break this zone here, and then we're gonna take selling opportunities. But if you can check very well here, the market has gave us a bullish momentum. This structure already been respected. If I check very well, this is Nasdaq. Obviously, the structure has already been it's not yet respected because the destination is here, the 90% rule. But here, you can never just come and jump in the trade here, understand? So you gotta find places whereby you're gonna enter entry point. So I feel like the cells are gonna be beautiful somewhere here. And then we're gonna enter our cells there. You know very well that from this point here, we're going to the bottom side. You see how great it is? It's so beautiful. Even if it breaks here, we're going to enter our selling opportunities and the below side. Understand? So this is a beautiful structure for me, and that's what I see to the market. And I feel like the market has to take more selling opportunities, but we got to find places where by the market we're going to enter the sales. So that's how it is. Let's jumping into USDT and see what it does USDT tell us. So you can see USDT is already selling. Here we call the buy nicely. USDT is already selling. So USDT, we gotta come back and take our buying opportunities exactly at that certain point, I feel. So it has to break this point here. So as much as you can see, guys, I don't feel like it will break this point. I don't feel like it will. You know, obviously when you're on a higher time frame, you can see some other stuff, understand? So, but here, I feel like we can just take that risk and take buying opportunities here. Actually, our buying opportunities, we're gonna take them here. This is the perfect zones that I trust, that I feel like it's so strong and it can give us a perfect entry point, understand? And then I'll take profit there. But if you can check the consolidation of USDT is so confusing. You can see how it is, man. The market is just consolidating everywhere. And if it's like that, it will be confusing everybody, understand? So let's jump into gold and see what does gold have for us. Perfect entry point, guys. We're still gonna buy here. There's just a correction. Most of the people here are just accumulating a lot of entries here. Once it breaks out here, we do what we push. And it's NFP week. We know this could happen during the week, understand? So it's very important for us to be watching to the market and actually being excited to see certain things, understand? So the entry point of this one, we can get it at the certain point, understand? Knowing very well that if you catch it here, you are beautiful. Because here you can't just enter entry point, wait for it to touch here. And then once it touches here, you enter your perfect entry point. You know that's your take profit. So it becomes so easy for you to analyze the market and go with it, because every day you just come back here and check whatever that you did, and then you go on and on, understand? So here, what I can wait for the market to touch here, and then after here, it can take buying opportunities, or wait for the market to actually touch there the top side, then we push, understand? So now for me, I'll just wait for it to come back and touch at this certain point, you understand? So you can see here touch. One thing I like about gold, it has a beautiful structure, Nasdaq, beautiful structure. US30 sometimes it doesn't give you beautiful structures, man. You gotta figure it out. So that's one of the most annoying thing in the market that we could ever come across. And at the end of the day, man, we can never change the fact of how the market moves. We gotta accept how it moves. We don't control the market, we follow what the market does. So if the market sells, we gotta sell on that. If it says buy, we gotta buy on that. Understand? So that's how the market moves, guys. I don't have to educate you that. It's one of the best things that you gotta educate yourself. You understand? So let's check maybe one currency and see what is it that we can get on NZD USD. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So let's check. Let's quickly check. Let's go to H4. So here, perfectly, I saw a perfect sales due to that. If you can check, man, the structure of the market is one of the best things that you can ever trade with. It gives me proper selling opportunities, man. And I feel like if it's a matter of us breaking the trend line, we got to break it here. So the market here will sell until this position or this position as well can play a bigger role. So we can come back again. So obviously, most of the people want to see the market breaking out this point, because even the structure of the market inside a trend major key, it gives us the same thing. You can see this. So yeah, we can retest this certain point and then we can take our buying opportunities here. We know very well that it has a higher probabilities of breaking because it has to go and get the power to break this point. And then once it breaks here, we know we are on a long-term trade. We are looking forward to this position, and which is something that I know most of you guys are looking forward to. You understand? I don't know if you guys trade currencies, but I know a lot of people that trade currencies which are looking forward to that. You see, so here the market might start giving us bullish momentum, and then we know we got to push to the top side sooner or later. So, and I know that's one thing that most of the people want to see. Understand? So let's go to H1. See here, you can see the market is already starting to give us bullish trades. So yeah, that's one thing I like about it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Let's meet on another video.